Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas, and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called data handling. The chapter number is 9. This chapter, data handling, is from NCERT syllabus, class 1, subject Maths. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called theme-based attendance. So what are the innovations behind this innovative idea, theme-based attendance? The innovation is using attendance as a medium for learning. This is the innovation behind this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. So what are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concepts of data handling, such as collection, representation, and interpretation. So this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this innovative idea? We are going to implement by using attendance as a medium for learning. Now, ask the students that today we are going to do attendance in a different way. That is, we are going to do attendance to revise the concepts of data handling. Now, write the names of the objects in the blackboard present in the class, which can be easily seen by the students. And ask the students to observe carefully around the class to make them familiar with the objects. Now, inform the students we are going to do attendance now. While I call out the roll number, you should not say present. Instead of saying present, you should say any object which is written in the blackboard, and also you should say the number of count of the object present in the classroom. For example, roll number 1, Ria, 10 pins. Roll number 2, Priya, 5 fans. So the name of the object as well as the count of that particular object present in the classroom. So in this way the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance? The students able to work with the numbers from 1 to 20. The students able to recite number names and also able to count the objects up to 20 concretely, pictorially and symbolically. The student record data, collects data and interpret simple information. The students develop the core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. Even the poor learners and the children with learning disabilities improve their learning skills with the help of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. Experiential learning takes the students from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo's Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.